everybody, I'm from class 3rd. Today I am going to solve Rubik's Cube and also some arithmetic calculations. Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle invented by Hungarian inventor Aaron Rubik. I can solve this in approx 1 minute 40 seconds.
Divya, let's do some calculations.
Yes.
Tell me 33 minus 22, 9, 7, 3, 8, 3, 6, 3. What's the answer?
50.
Okay. What is 22 into 4?
88.
Okay. Next, 3, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 5, 3, 5, minus 7, 2. What's the answer?
A 4.
Okay. 25 into 5.
125.
Okay. Next, 9, minus 2, minus 2, 3, minus 7, 6, minus 5. What's the answer?
A 2.
Okay. Next.
And I done my Rubik's Cube also.
Okay.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Puneet Dhinghani, studying in Kangaville Academy class 4A, and I am performing some mannerisms through abacus.
94 less 32, 73,
135,
24, 62, less 43,
43,
57, less 17, 23,
63,
76, less 47, less 13,
1616,
81, less 23, 46,
104,
52, less 15, 23,
60,
49, 91, less 72,
68,
76, less 61, 38.
53. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Siddham Jain from class 5th. Today I am going to show you some interesting abacus tricks. Mind calculation. So let's start with addition and subtraction.
2 6 plus 5 3 less 1 8 plus 4 3 less 5 0.
Answer is 5 4.
Next sum 6 5 plus 3 7 less 3 2 plus 6 4 less 2 8.
Answer is 106. Multiplication.
4 8 multiplied by 7.
336 is the answer.
Next sum 6 9 multiplied by 3.
207 is the answer. Division.
119 divided by 7.
17 is the answer.
Next sum 172 divided by 2.
86 is the answer. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mayank and I am in class 5A. I am playing Octopad in Indian beat and Western beat. Thank you.
मैं कीबोर्ड सॉन्गिस्ट रघुपति राघव राजा राम। मैं ये भजन के बारे में 2-3 लाइनें बोलना चाहूँगा। यह भजन रामायण कथा का एक श्लोक है और यह महात्मा गांधी की नेतृत्व प्रार्थना में सम्मिलित था और यह एक भजन आदर्शवादी भजन है।
Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Carvella. I am from class 4th B, here before you to recite the poem, and the topic of my poem is Spread Your Wings and Fly. A lonely little bird, last one in the nest, wishing she was brave enough to take the final step. Looking down she sees that, soaring high and flying free, all those little birds untethered from the tree. Looking down she is frozen, fearful of fall, afraid her wings might falter, afraid her wings not work at all. From high above she hears his voice, gently urging her to try. If you'll never spread your wings, you'll never learn to fly. She flutters up her feathers and steps upon the branch. Oh, be brave, my precious little bird, have faith and take the chance. She falls into the great unknown with pounding heart and beating wings. Her fear gives way to song and she begins to sing. The gentle winds they catch her and she flies in a grace so free. A happy little bird untethered from the tree. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Good evening everyone. I am Ara from class 3A. Today I will recite a poem called Invictus. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods there may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears lies but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years. Finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Thank you.
मैं आर्या अग्रवाल कक्षा 4 से आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सरहदों पर जो डटे वीर हैं उनके लिए 4 पंक्तियाँ। सरहदों पर जो डटे वीर हैं उनका गौरव गान लिखूं, इतिहासों में सिमट गए जो उनका मैं बलिदान लिखूं। सच को सच लिखने की ताकत मुझे सारदे माँ देना, उठा लेखनी सबके दिल पर जय जय हिंदुस्तान लिखूं। स्वतंत्रता के हवन कुंड में लाखों लाख जवानी है, स्वतंत्रता के हवन कुंड में लाखों लाख जवानी है। भगत सिंह शेखर सुभाष इसमें झांसी की रानी है, भगत सिंह शेखर सुभाष इसमें झांसी की रानी है। सत सत नमन करो वीरों को, वीरों पर अभिमान करो। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम ध्यान करो। पत्थरबाजी नारेबाजी बहुत हो चुका, बंद करो। जो भारत माँ को गाली दे उनका उचित प्रबंध करो। जो भारत माँ को गाली दे उनका उचित प्रबंध करो। वीर सैनिकों की कुर्बानी का सम्मान जरूरी है। वीर सैनिकों की कुर्बानी का सम्मान जरूरी है। हम तुम चाहें मिट भी जाए, हिंदुस्तान जरूरी है। मानवता का फर्ज निभाओ फिर आरती अजान करो। मानवता का फर्ज निभाओ फिर आरती अजान करो। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम ध्यान करो। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Shora Rar from class 4th. Here I am to recite my poem, I am missing the school. A big playground and all the rules, I am missing the school. Shouting in the class, running in the grass, the lunch in the mess with all our friends. Making mistakes, scolding our teachers. Some boring chapters, but some are cool. I am missing the school. Go Gonna go, I want to go to school because I am missing the school. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashvi Batavia from class 4A, here to recite a self-written poem. The topic of my poem is The Key to Fitness. Good morning, it's 6 o'clock, come we go for a morning walk. Fresh morning, fresh air, let's go to the garden there. There are some swings and slides, but we are going to do exercise. To stay healthy and fit, we have to do it. A long day, a happy way, lots of time to study and play. Early to bed and early to rise makes me healthy, wealthy and wise. Thank you, have a nice day ahead.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम विश्वान सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र हूँ। इस कोरोना काल में मैं अपनी आप बीती को एक स्वरचित कविता के साथ आपके साथ बांटना चाहता हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है साल 2020 आ गया। साल 2020 आ गया, कोरोना वायरस का कहर ढा गया। जाने कितने लोग सिधर गए, अब रहते हैं लोग डर डर कर। जाने कब कौन जाए गुजर, मेरा भी परिवार बिखर गया। छूटा मम्मी पापा का साथ, पर दादा दादी के पास सीखा मैंने जीवन का नया पाठ। छूट गई असेंबली और क्लास, छूट गया दोस्तों का साथ। एक पल ना भाया मुझे ऑनलाइन क्लास, पर मुझे उम्मीद है एक दिन आएगा ऐसा, बीतेंगे ये काले दिन, फिर से उगेगा एक नया सूरज, होगी एक नई सुबह, फिर खुले आसमान के नीचे खुल के सांस ले सकूंगा मैं। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मैं याचना पटेल कक्षा 5वीं की छात्रा आज आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। उस कविता का शीर्षक है शिक्षक। जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, सही तरह पढ़ना सिखाए, जीवन में सदा आदर पाता वह मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता। हम उनसे मांगते हैं वरदान, वह हमें देते हैं ज्ञान। क्या अच्छा क्या बुरा जताएं, प्रकाश की राह हमें बताएं। गुरु हमें सब कुछ देते, फिर भी हमसे कुछ नहीं लेते। मन में दबी यह इच्छा, काश मैं उस जैसा बन पाता जो मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मैं वेदा राव सिंधे कक्षा 3वीं से आज आप सभी के सामने सद्भावना गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
के दिल को राहत तभी तो मिले, घर की हिफाजत पड़ोसी की चाहत, हर एक दिल को राहत तभी तो मिले, हते जब अंधेरा ये कोहरा घनेरा, सब उज्जवल सवेरा तभी तो मिले, जब हर हृदय में पड़ा विजय में, सद्भाव लय में हो साधना, 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 गूंजे गगन में, महके पवन में, हर एक मन में हो सद्भावना, सद्भावना, सद्भावना।
विषय संस्कृत मंत्र अर्थ सहित। सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके, शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। अर्थ, हे मंगलमयी, सबका मंगल करने वाली, शिवे, समस्त साधनों को देने वाली त्रिमुखी, आपके शरण में मैं हूँ। हे नारायणी, आपको नमस्कार है। धन्यवाद।
Hi friends, I am Omkar from class 5th. In this video, I would like to share about my model GSLV MK3 that I have made in an online competition organized by ISRO. GSLV MK3 stands for Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III. GSLV sets a satellite in a geosynchronous transfer orbit. Geosynchronous transfer orbit is the orbit located above the equator of the Earth. If a satellite is placed in this orbit, its rotation matches with that of the Earth. GSLV Mk3 has 3-stage configuration with 2 solid strap-ons S200 located either side of the liquid propellant forged L110 and cryogenic stage C25 carrying liquid oxygen and hydrogen. And at the top we have the satellite that is encapsulated. This was used for Chandrayaan Mission 2, and for this project I have received a certificate from ISRO. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Raghu Sharma. I am presenting you a model which can be used as water level indicator alarming system. The material used are pencil, tape, buzzer, wire, switch and battery. This is a circuit diagram. This is switch, wire, pencil, water, battery and buzzer. The system will be placed such that the tip of the pencil will be at the desired level of water. As we know, water is conductor of electricity. When the water reaches to the tip of the pencil, the circuit gets completed and the buzzer goes on. Advantages of the system are cheap, easy to use. It will save a lot of water. As we know, water is too precious to be wasted. Thank you. Up next are the making and working of the model.
Of class 3B. I am going to represent an experiment whose name is cold drink pump. Materials required are some straws, balloon, a paper clip, a glass, a bottle, funnel and cold drink. First we have to take the bottle and make a hole in it. Then with the help of funnel, we have to pour the cold drink and make sure that the cold drink should not come above the hole. Then we have to pour the straw inside it like this. Then we have to take the balloon and fix it on the top of the bottle. Then we have to remove this paper clip. See, my cold drink pump has worked. Air pressure of the balloon comes down so that the cold drink comes outside. Thank you.
to all. My name is Anwa Asayal and I am from KVA class 5A. Today my topic is my experience on organic farming at my farm. Due to the COVID-19, we were not able to go to school or meet our friends and family or travel for holidays. We were locked up in our house. During this time, the main focus was on eating healthy and staying safe. So we as a family decided to spend time at a farmhouse learning how to grow healthy, organic, nutritious food and vegetables. We started visiting a farmhouse regularly and spending time as a family learning how to grow vegetables and taking care of the fruit trees that we have. My brother and I help our mother with developing a garden. One day, we found out that one of our dogs at the farmhouse has given birth to 4 little cute pups, and that gave us one more reason to visit our farmhouse. Farmhouse is like our second home and will always be. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arthur Vajpayee from class 4A. I am here to share my views on the topic health and fitness. The very known two terms to us are the words health and fitness. Many times we tell or use these words whenever we say phrases like health is wealth and fitness is the key. What does the word health really mean? It implies the ideas of being well. A healthy and fit person is the one who can function well, physically as well as mentally. Proper health and fitness do not depend on our own, but also on our physical environment and the quality of food we take. Health and fitness are the most important aspects in our life. There is nothing more important than health for any human being. When we are healthy and fit, we can enjoy our life well. We can talk to our near and dear ones. We can laugh, smile, travel, enjoy food and sleep well. But when our health and fitness is not up to the mark, we are unable to do something properly and stay behind. Our mood always remains negative and we are unable to talk to our near and dear ones or even sleep properly. We must eat healthy and complete diet. Yoga and meditation has got a lot of health and fitness benefits. Flexibility burns calories, increase blood flow, boost immunity. At last, I want to conclude my speech by Dalai Lama's words. Happiness will come when we are healthy and fit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kriti Agarwal from class 5A KVA Raipur. Here I am going to narrate a story. So let's start. The two pots. Once there were two pots that lie on a river banks. One was made up of clay and the another was made up of brass. It happened to be rainy season and the sky was overcast with thick and black clouds. It rained and rained for many days. Soon the river banks were flooded with water. The two pots were floating dismally in water current as they were tumbling down in the river. The brass pot said to the clay pot that, "My dear friend, come closer to me. I will protect you." "No thanks," replied the clay pot. "I know you want to protect me, but I am afraid that if current becomes stronger and we bang in each other, you will remain unharmed, but I will break into pieces." The moral of the story: it is wise to keep away from a neighbor who is stronger than you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about yoga and its benefits for kids. Yoga makes the kids learn to accept their bodies, be more disciplined, focused and help them to concentrate in a better way. When practiced properly over a period of time, yoga makes them physically and mentally strong. yoga improves their overall health and wellness. I am Ashka Kaushik from class 5th B Kangavalli Academy, Raipur. I am going to show some yogasanas. Tree pose or Vrikshasana. Bridge pose or Setubandh Sarvangasana. Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Boat pose or Naukasana. Bow pose or Dhanurasana. Thank you. Have a nice day.